One of the challenges with creating videos is keeping your media organized with the file system in Resolve. I've been working on a new tool for Resolve 17 called SwitchTake Super Bins. At least that's what it's called for now. I may change the name in the future. The Super Bins application allows you to copy content from anywhere, from the file system, internet, browser, screenshots, whatever, and then paste that media directly into your project folder and import the media into Resolve with just the click of a real quick hotkey sequence. It's super fast. There's no need to download the file, do a save as rename, open up your Explorer windows and copy files to the project and make your folders and create your bins in Resolve and then import the media. Let's take a look and let me show you how it works. There's quite a few things going on here, but I've tried to make it as simple as possible. You can do a copy paste with this Control-Alt-K hotkey sequence. This is customizable. You can drag drop files into this window, or you can set up a file monitor to monitor like the downloads folder so that anything that's downloaded by your browser can automatically get sent into Resolve. The next box down here, this is for your project folder. You can see my project folder is set up at O-Temp Test Project, and we can go ahead and click on Open Folder. And you can take a look and see that there's nothing in the project folder right now. Real quick, let's do a real quick demonstration of how this might work. The Super Bins runs in the background. Anything that gets loaded into the test project will get sent into Resolve. So let's minimize that because we really don't need it. Okay, so one of the use cases here, let's say you wanted to download an image. So I'm at the pexels.com, and let's search for dessert. So you can see we have some desserts here. Click on that. Say we like this picture and we want to use this in one of our video projects. To get it into Resolve and into the project folder, all you need to do is right click on it. You can either do copy image or copy image address. Next, hit the hotkey sequence, which is Control-Alt-K, and it pops up with the SwitchTake Super Bins. We have the name of the photo with a preview, and it auto detects what bin to put it in. This could be based on the media type or other parameters that you set up. And we'll do assets and we'll call it dessert. And this is going to be the bin location, so you can actually type in here and put it wherever you want. We'll hit sync file. It downloaded the file from the internet. It copied it into our project folder right here and send it into Resolve and created a bin called assets and a bin called dessert. Now let's say we wanted to do like a screenshot. This might be an interesting screen. So let's use the Windows screenshot tool. So let's copy these color wheels down here. This might be something we want to put in our video. So we're going to highlight that and copy it. So now that that's in the clipboard, to get the screenshot loaded into Resolve and our project folder, all we need to do is hit the hotkey sequence Control-Alt-K. It's going to pop up with the Super Bins. We can change the name. We'll call it Wheels. And this one, we're going to put it in, we're going to call it Assets, and we're going to call it Resolve. And that where we can put some Resolve assets. And we just choose Sync File. And there we go. We have assets, and now we have a Resolve folder there. We'll go back to the Super Bins, open up the project folder, and we have both of the asset things right there. Okay, so one of the other things we can do is we can just copy and paste files directly into Resolve from an Explorer window. So say we're browsing around, maybe these are some files I've downloaded or had from a resource somewhere. We can select the files. These are WAV files, so they're going to be audio. All we need to do is hit Control-C to copy them, and then Control-Alt-K. It knows that we're pasting a WAV file, and it's going to put it in the music bin by default. We can sync an individual file, or we can sync all 4 files at the same time. So let's click Sync All. And you can see it created a music bin for us. It synchronized the files to our project folder right there. So we were able to do all of that, get everything into Resolve right from here without having to navigate around with Explorer windows. So another example here is, here's our test project and here's some of our media. Say we have some of these MP4 files, we could take these and we could just manually do it. We could create a folder called clips and take some of these clips and drag it into the clips area. They're automatically put into Resolve. So there's quite a few different ways to use this thing. It basically you can paste content, you can drag drop content to it. You can check it can monitor a file folder. So if you're downloading to a downloads area, it'll automatically take those and bring those up into the Super Bins. Any changes in here automatically get sent to Resolve. If you'd like to give it a try, let me know. I would definitely like to get your feedback.